And I'm here with Ndeli. Ndeli. You remember? Spanner has been challenging Ndeli for a long time. And we are here in Tabernacle. Lounge Tabernacle. The one that is in Agor is a newly club. In case by next 2 weeks, we'll start clubbing here. Make sure you club here also. It's a nice place. Alright, now we have 10 fufu each. We have Spanner and we have Ndeli. And Ndeli has been saying that he wants to. Wow. And Ndeli said, Spanner, now I'm one. And today is the day. So, guys, are you ready for $500? Are you ready for $500? Whoever stand a chance to finish first, stand a chance to win $500 cash. So, are you ready, Ndeli?
If I had the money, this boy had that.
Are you ready, Spanner?
Yes, ready.
So, game start. So let's see if Ndeli can actually finish before Spanner. Ndeli never even open waterproof. He never even open waterproof. And you said you want to win Spanner. Please, everybody shout Spanner, 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 Spanner. No need. You're not. I'm not sure you can do it. There's still hope. Ndeli, the Oboko is very, very small. I wonder how you are going to win this game. I'm sure Spanner is the winner of this great challenge. There is no two ways about it. Ndeli can never win Spanner. Ndeli can never win Spanner. And there is nothing we can do about it. Ndeli, Spanner is on this is the fifth one, and Ndeli is still there on half. Ndeli, I'm not sure you can do this. I'm not sure you can do this. I'm not sure you can do this. And where smoke will come out from? I'm not sure you can do this. Ladies and gentlemen, Spanner is finishing in Ndeli. And Ndeli is still on one. Everybody shout Spanner! 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 Where the smoke they go from?
I'm not going to buy it. Okay, $500. Jesus! Where did you $500?
Where the here now?
Okay, no $500. Papa, so when you put this in.
And then where the smoke they come from?
Get me a waka.
No.
I'll put it on the road. Okay? Never $500.
Wait. Where the?
Okay, cut off in there. Never $500.
I don't know what to do for Bele.
Wait. Then where do you get?
Okay, $500. Me too, man. Stop doing this nonsense.
But this is no, I have to eat. That's not a way to do it. Stop.
I don't know what it is. Wait.
Ndeli.
You can't wait to.
Spanner.
watching too.
Spanner, what's happened?
I don't know how money to give you guys.
Ndeli!
The danger of the back
Cut, 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 cut,